Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to install MyKey Premium remote set. This is 2020 Hyundai Kona, but it's also suitable for 2018 through 2020 models. You could order this product on MyKeyPremium.com. I'll drop the link down below for you. What I like about this product is that it's very easy, simple, and quick to install it. You don't have to cut any wires, and you'll get to use your original key fob. You don't need anything extra. And before you order it, make sure you have a push button start system. And now let me show you how to install it. So in this package you will get a module and a set of wires. These wires are two-sided, fathers and mothers. So with fathers, you're gonna connect it to the car's wires, and mothers are gonna be connected to the car's module. I'll show you in a second. And it has this which will be connected to the module. So this is the panel. All you gotta do is just pull these clips up towards you when you take that out. Just like that. So first things first, we're gonna disconnect these three connectors: black, gray, and brown. Just like that. Go. To take them out, all you have to do is press this little pin and just pull it out. Now the harness that you got from the package, we're gonna connect brown to brown, just like that. Make sure it clicks all the way. Black with black. And the last one, gray with gray. Just like that. So now we have these three connectors. They're gonna go back straight into the car. So now you have these three connectors left. First one, we're gonna connect the black one. Just like that. Make sure it clicks. Second one is going to be gray. Same way, make sure it clicks. And the last one is going to be brown. Just like that. Make sure all of them are all the way in. So now I'm going to connect module into these wires. Before you connect it, make sure these channels are set up the same way as you see it here. The first one is up, the 2, 3, and 4 are down. And then on the black channels, all 4 of them are up. And this is specifically for Hyundai Kona. Once that's ready, the first thing you do, you connect this wire. And the power goes last. There you go. Make sure this blue pin is connected. Once you finish installation, all you gotta do is press the like button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. And once you're in the car, all you have to do is press the brake pedal and put in drive, and it's good to go.